So the tools you're going to need are your brake pads, obviously. You're going to need a disc pad spreader, 21mm socket for your wheel, 14mm socket, and a 13mm socket. So once you have all the screws off, you can take off your wheel, and what I like to do is put the wheel underneath the car, just in case anything happens. And then you're going to take your 14mm socket, and there's two bolts back here. And they come off pretty easy. There's only two. And then you can just use your hand. Can you come closer and show them? There's one right here, this one, and this one right here. There's only two. And you want to turn these to the right if you're on the driver's side. And then this will just basically slide right off. And then use your two brake pads. And then just get your two brake pads. The one that has this goes to the back side, and the one that doesn't goes right in the front. So you just want to place it here, the teeth mark right here. And then for the back, it gets more tricky, but it's not that hard. I'm going to do the same thing. So as you can see, you just got to put it in here and here. And then from the back, you got to put it here and here. Now what you want to do is you want to push the piston back inside, or else it's not going to fit on. So you want to get your disc pad spreader and just place it in, and then just tighten this. Just twist it and make sure it's directly in center. And then once it starts to get hard, get your 13mm socket and just tighten it up. And then as you can see, the piston will slowly start to move back in. And then once you see that it's in, you can just stop and then loosen this back up so you can take it off. And then just put your caliper back on. And then put your two 14mm bolts back on. Now 14mm and tighten them up. top and bottom. And that's that, guys. Now you just gotta put your wheel back on, and that's it. That's how you change your brake pads.